Hello people, we are here at Core Curry and I wanted to do a vlog about this place because we've had it before and it's really good. This is an Indian curry place. So here's the menu here, Core Curry Cafe Restaurant, and that looks really good. This is the lunch menu. They have all these lunches, get these different sizes. A lunch is 1 curry, unlimited rice and naan. And then this one's 1 curry, unlimited rice and naan, salad and drink. And 2 curries, nice naan, rice, chicken tikka, which is this thing, salad and drink. And so we just got the basic one. I don't really want 2 curries. I know what I'm here for, the butter chicken. I love butter chicken for Indian curry. It's very good, but this is the curries they have here. And it's actually pretty busy in here. There's Kit drinking water and texting. This is what the place looks like. They also have a sit-down, shoes-off seating area as well. All right, there it is. Look at the size of this naan. I mean, my hand's pretty big, but look at this. This is insane. And this is unlimited, so if you run out, you can ask for more. And then up there, you could just go get a bowl of rice. And then they give you this curry. So you pretty much have unlimited naan, unlimited curry, or unlimited naan, unlimited rice as you need to finish this curry. Excellent. And there's Kit recording.
And their butter chicken is just like to die for. I normally get like the 2 thing of like they come in 2, so you could choose like 2 different things. Normally I would get the butter chicken and the palak paneer. And their palak paneer is so good.
Okay, this is the first bite of this thing. Look at how massive this is. Does that look big? And it's all puffy.
Nice crunch there.
I'm very glad we came here.
I know, it's like hits the spot.
Oh man, I love Indian curry so much. We can get rice over there, but he's bringing us more naan because I'd rather have naan than rice, but we still have like half the curry thing left. We finished both our plates of naan. And we're like the only ones in here now.
Yeah, because they're closing at 3.
Yeah, they're closing at 3 and last order's at 3. No, they're closing at 3:30, last order's at 3. And it's almost 3.
It's so fresh, it's not.
It's brand new baked. Look at it. Looks so oily, smoky. Look at how big this is, guys, though. Like, that's my hand. It's crazy. Man, I gotta shave. So this is it, guys. This is the front of it, by the way. We just finished Core Curry. This is where we're at. Actually, you guys probably know this because we did a video at Coco's. Curry is down there. And then Chitagua is down there. We're right on the same street. There's a park here. So really good, guys. I highly suggest you come here and check it out. That's it for this episode review of Core Curry. Come check it out. It's amazing. So thank you so much for watching. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video.